start or?
معاني جاسم من العراق أنا واللي رحت أنا هناك دكاترة هواي رحت لهم بالبصرة بس ما قدروا ما حد قدر إلا هذا الدكتور شالندر دكتور شالندر إيه أسلم عليه أسلم على الدكتور هو شكر مني وشكر من الكادر وشكر من المستشفى كله وشكر من أبو علي من أبو علي شكرا وشكر منكم
شكرا. Patient Mani was suffering from her knees, and she not able to walk, and in Iraq suggest for a knee replacement, but in Iraq she refused to go for surgery because robotic surgery not available in Iraq, and I suggest her to go to SSB Hospital under Dr. Shailendra. And he reached to the hospital. Some test was done. Doctor decided for take care. Surgery was done second day, Saturday. Nicely. Patient second day discharged from CCU to the room. She's stable. She was stable. After 2 days, patient start walking by walkers, and she's so happy. And he gave his thanks for all the staff from the hospital, from the ortho surgeon to the till the normal staff. She is so happy. Thank you so much.
So this patient, this is Manni Jasim Karim. She came to us with pain in both knees, deformity in both knees, and difficulty in walking. She is a 70-year-old female, and she also had previous spinal surgery. And patient wanted to go for a robotic knee replacement. Patient was evaluated, and all the tests were fine. So patient after fitness was taken for surgery, and a robotic bilateral knee replacement was done with a second generation robot. And patient is absolutely fine now. Patient was able to walk next day without support, and patient is doing very well right now. Thank you. So I just wanted to convey that robotic knee replacement is a new revolution. We get a perfect and a better alignment as compared to conventional surgery, and recovery, the potential recovery time is at least half than the conventional surgery because ligament release and muscle disturbances are minimum. Thank you.